Hey guys, Wiggy 14 here. Uh, Today we're going to be making a fidget spinner. So what we're going to use is just regular plastic from this fidget spinner right here and screen one. And use that, hot glue gun, some extra glue sticks. Using these for some weights, and these are just going to be for decoration. I might use 3, might use 6, we'll see. But yeah, I'm going to plug this in, let it get warmed up, and we'll get started. Oh yeah, we also need a little bit of deodorant, which we're going to spread on to the plastic so it doesn't stick. Alright, so you want to spray a little bit of this on here now. Just get some on your finger, you know. That's all you gotta do, get a little bit on your finger. Getting that smear this on there, like, you gotta go off it on. Just gotta spread it a little bit. The only reason you do this is so it doesn't stick. Should be good to go right there. And I'm just going to put the parts in on one. Shout out to my boy Gary. He gave me the ball bearing we're going to be using. Alright guys, the glue gun seems like it's warmed up, so we're going to try to get started here. Now we're gonna let that cool down and we'll see how it turns out. Well guys, I spotted one problem already. I don't know how well you might be able to see this, but it came right through the bottom. But we're gonna see how it turns out, so check back in a second. Alright guys, just pulled it out of the freezer here. Figured I'd speed up the time a little bit. Put it in the freezer. But I'm going to take this out and cut off the excess in that with a razor. But, you know, if you're young, like I said before, if you're young and you're watching this channel, make sure you have adult supervision when you do use razor or anything like that. Try to think of the name for them one, like pencil with a little razor blade on the end of it. I can't think of the name of it, but yeah, if you're gonna use anything like that, make sure you're supervised. You know, another thing is, I found the best way. Find your one spot that you're gonna use, and get underneath it and pull it. But yeah, I'm gonna finish this, and I'll get back to you and show you the final. Okay, so now guys, I got it best I really could, and someone said about the deodorant, did not work. It totally stuck to it. It was really bad, but I managed to get it off there. So yeah. Oh yeah, the white things too. Couldn't really glue them down, you know. Couldn't really do it, but I got it like this, and it works pretty good. It wobbly a little bit, but it works pretty good for free, you know. And the thumb pads, you can just pull off an extra fidget spinner if you have one that broke like me. I had one that broke. I had a black one. You got the black ones on there. You got this green one that just used on this one. So. But yeah, right there you go, your own fidget spinner for free. Can't really beat that, you know. Yep. But that's our free do-it-yourself fidget spinner video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks. Have a good day, guys. Keep your heads up, because everything is bound to get better. We'll get 1-4. We out. Keep it spinning.